a crochet hair review. It's been a while since I've been on YouTube, but you guys don't worry, I'm back. Just stay tuned for all the future videos I have coming up, okay? So I'm gonna quickly just get to it because I have somewhere to be at tonight, and I just wanted to show you guys this gorgeous crochet hairstyle I do. I've always been doing crochet since I first started doing it back in 2015, and literally like this has been my go-to hairstyle, you know, not this brand but like crochet in general. So this one was really pretty. I saw it in the store, and I quickly went on YouTube like I always do to see what it looks like on somebody else. You know, sometimes you see stuff in the pack but it doesn't look like it when you put it on your head. So I quickly went on YouTube, and I only saw one video on this beautiful hair. Like, you know, so I was like, you know what, that's a sign. Like, I gotta come here and show you guys the hair, you know, because I really think it's really pretty. I love big hair, but this is actually not that big to me, but you know, it's getting there. I think I might add like an extra pack. I use 4 packs, and I use all of the 4 packs. I think, you know, for average size head you can use 3, you know, to maybe 4, but I have a big head, so I use all 4. I'm even thinking of adding an extra pack to it to make it 5, because yeah. But let me show you guys what the name of the hair, because that's the most important thing. So this is the hair. It's by Freetress, and it's called the Miracle Curl. I'm gonna have a little tiny bit of like an in-depth video coming up, you know, but yeah, this is it. I used 4 packs. It was wonderful. I love it. I think I'm gonna separate the curls more because I do want it fuller, but so far I did it last night, and I went to church this morning, and I got so many compliments, like, you know, and I really love it. Let me show you guys the back. I did trim the hair because just because, you know, just the back was just kind of like long, and it didn't look right. It didn't like look put together. I think I might cut it some more because I want to shape it into like a nice bob. But you know, so far right now I'm just, you know, living it alone a little bit. You know, I don't want to like, you know, put my claws in there and literally brush this hair like I always do. I just want to like enjoy the curls for a little bit and then see if I need to like, you know, tweak it down the line. But so far so good. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video. I do realize that I do crochet so much, and I try different crochet hairstyles so much that why not just come on YouTube and do reviews on the crochet hairstyles that I do, because I'm the kind of person, before I go buy any crochet hairstyle or even weave, like I will go on YouTube and I'll search up the hair and then see what it looks like on people, see if it, you know, just picture it on myself, you know, and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Hopefully I have time this semester in school. You know, you guys, nursing school is crazy, so I've been off YouTube for like 3 years now, I think. So, but you know what, I do love making videos, and I'm coming back bigger and better than before. Okay, so the last couple of seconds of the video is just gonna be like me last night when I was putting the hair in. Like, it's not really much, but you know, I just try to like record myself a little bit while I was doing the hair, and then later on my friend came in, and I was just like, you know what, let me just put what I have for you guys. You know, I know there's a lot of videos on here, a lot of YouTube videos that shows how to do the crochet method, but you know, I'm just gonna add the little, I don't know what I did last night, but it's gonna be coming up. Okay, stay tuned. Bye. hope you guys loved the video. Feel free to subscribe, like, comment if you have any questions. I'll try to respond as soon as possible. And once again, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.